Hi everyone, my name is Suraj Chaudhary. I am doing in MBA in SA's Institute of Management Studies, second semester in Boisar. Now we are today going to discuss operation research. Operation research is the subject, and in that our today's discussion topic is transportation. In transportation, the definition of transportation we have given here. The action of transporting someone or something or the process being transported. The era of global mass transportation. The historically we can say that the action or practice of transporting convict to penal colony. Transportation meaning in operation research subject. The transportation problem is a special type of linear programming problem where the objective consists in minimizing transportation cost of a given commodity from a number of sources or origin. It means that the owner of company has a different sections in that he is manufacturing of the same product in different area. In that if our transportation cost is less, then we can improve our profit. It means that there are three plants of one owner. One is situated in Boisar, second one is in Navi Mumbai, and third one is Aurangabad. Then these are three places, and then three are different duration for to collect this all the finished goods from there. And then we have to choose the find out the best way how we can minimize the transportation cost. Here we have given example factory, manufacturing facility to a number of destinations as we have discussed earlier. So there are three methods of transportation problem solving. The first one is northwest corner method, second one is least cost method, and third one is Vogel's approximation method. Now today we are going to discuss northwest corner method. In this method there are following steps are given for to solve the problem. Find the northwest corner cell of the transportation table and allocate as much as possible to the selected cell, and adjust the associated amount of supply and demand by subtracting the allocate amount. And if we are fulfill the demand and supply both are same, then cross the row or particular column as per solution. If both row and column have a 0, cross randomly row or column. If one cell is left uncrossed, cross out the cell and stop, otherwise go to step 1. Now we are giving an example of the same. We are seeing the eye care company has 3 plants located throughout a state with production capacity 50, 75, 25 gallons. Each day of the firm must finish its 4 retail shops R1, R2, R3 and R4 with at least 20, 20, 50 and 60 gallons respectively. The transportation cost are given below. Now we are seeing here company P1, P2, P3 and retailer R1, R2, R3, R4, and we are seeing here supply is given for P1 50, for P2 75, for P3 25, and demand is there R1 20, R2 20, R3 50 and R4 60. The economic problem is distributed the available product to the different retail shop in such a way so that the total transportation is minimum. It means that we have to find out how we can reduce the transportation cost. We have given a solution. Starting from the northwest corner, we allocate minimum 50-20 to the P1 R1. Now in the problem we are saying the demand for R1 is 20 and supply is 50. Now we are assigning here 20 from the supply of 50, because demand is only 20, then we can supply is only 20. So that now we are taking here northwest corner where R1 P1 is the capacity of 3, and then we have given 20 here, and now we are getting demand 20 and supply also 20. So that in that we have cross out the first row, and now we will move towards the second row. Second row we have demand 20 and we have remaining supply of 30. Now from 30 we will assign here 20, and then this second row will also R2 also cancelled here, and now we have left supply of 10 out of 50, and we are assigning here, and then in 10 we are supplying here 10, and then we are getting only 40 here. Then we in that supply is over of first P1. Then now we move horizontally to the second column. The first row allocate 20 units. P1 R1 we have discussed earlier. Proceeding in this way, we observe that P1 R3 10, P2 R3 40, P2 R4 35, P3 R4 25. The resulting feasible solution is shown in the following table. Here number of retail shop N1 is equal to 4 and number of plants M3. Number of basic variable M plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 3 plus 4 minus 1 is equal to 6. The initial basic feasible solution is there. The initial basic feasible solution is x11 is equal to 20, x12 is equal to 5, x13 is equal to 20, x23 is equal to 40, x24 is equal to 35. In this way we have calculated here minimum cost of transportation 20 into 3 plus 20 into 5 plus 10 into 7, 40 into 8, 35 into 2 plus 25 into 2 is equal to 670 is the minimum cost of our transportation. Okay, thank you. This is the transportation problem we have solved here.